Y'all, we just got notification to take shelter. Like, this is real. Whoa. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. We have two tornadoes that have touched down. One near Grambling, and then another one I can't remember where, but I think it's near Ruston as well. This is insane. Look at this. Guys, oh my gosh. Okay guys, it is 12 o'clock right now, and so this is what everything looks like. It stopped raining. I mean, it's like drizzling right now, but I heard that Arcadia and Benton got hit. Ooh, y'all see that? Arcadia and Benton got hit really bad. And so I think it's headed towards this way. I live in West Monroe. And like I said earlier, I lived in Ruston last year during that tornado. Did footage of the damage after the fact. So go check that video out. But yeah, man, this is crazy. This is crazy. I think there's gonna be more to come, as you guys just heard that lightning. Man, this is crazy. So yes, Arcadia and Benton got hit really bad. You know, prayers to that community. And I saw that parts of I-20 had trees falling down. Like, it's crazy. This is insane. It is after 12:40, and look, everyone, clear, well, blue skies and a sun. So the storm didn't really hit West Monroe that bad, just a lot of heavy rains. It's still partly cloudy, but the sun indeed is out. So again, it is after 12:40, and it is April 12th on a Sunday. It's Easter. And again, prayers to those communities that were affected by the tornadoes that did touch down. You know, prayers are with y'all. Okay guys, bye.